Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free access to Sora AI, including how to get an invite code and how to unlock it even if it's not available in your country. So if you have been curious about Sora 2 and can't wait to try it, just stay tuned. I will guide you step by step. First, what exactly is Sora 2? Sora is OpenAI's latest AI video generator. It can turn text prompt into a realistic cinematic videos, and basically you just describe a scene and Sora will create a high quality video from it. It's one of the most advanced AI tools right now, but access is still very limited. You need an invite code and it's not available in all countries yet. And then to open it, just go to official website like this, sora.chatgpt.com like this, and then just log in using your OpenAI account, just the same one that you use for ChatGPT. And if your country or account doesn't have access, you will see a restricted message. And okay, let's start with a country access problem. If Sora isn't available in your region, you can use a VPN. Any VPN will work. Just connect to a country where Sora is already available, like the US or Canada. And then if you are using your phone and don't know which free VPN to use, I have added a link in the descriptions. It shows how to get a reliable free VPN step by step. And then next, the invite code. You will need this to actually unlock your Sora access. And here's a few ways to get one. Like first, join the OpenAI Discord server. Sometimes members share invite codes there, but they will go fast and so you will need to be quick. And then next ways, next way, just search on social media or online forums. For example, just try searching Sora to invite code on Reddit or Twitter or maybe TikTok like this. Many creators will share working codes. Some show them in a video itself like this, or others post them in a comments. And then next you can also ask ChatGPT. If you have a ChatGPT Plus account, you can use ChatGPT agents and simply type like this. For example like this, like just type find me a Sora to invite code that works today like this. In here I can show that demo because I'm not using ChatGPT Pro right now, but if you are, just give it a try and it will really help. And okay, finally, if you can get an invite code yet, you can join the waitlist on the official Sora page and then just enter your email and you will be notified once your account or country is eligible for access. And okay, that's it. Now you know how to get free access to Sora AI, how to bypass country restrictions, and where to find working invite codes. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you!